Hello everybody, it's Jason with Investing Logically. In this video I just give you guys an update on Fiverr stock. They had their earnings report today. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also feel free to like this video for the YouTube algorithm so more people can learn about investing in finance. Fiverr, so ticker symbol FVRR. Fiverr is an international company that is a marketplace for freelance services. It is currently at 303 and 12 cents, so it is currently down 1.03% on a day. So on the week it's nearly up 6%. On the month it's nearly up 30%. On the year it's nearly up 100%. Just released their earnings report today, so I'm going to go through it. Let's give us a brief description of the earnings report. Their revenue in 2020 Q4 is 55.9 million, which is 89% year-over-year growth. They have increased GAAP gross margin of 82.6%. About this in my latest videos, they have an acquisition of Working Not Working, so they also have a new function called subscriptions. They also expanded their geographic footprint. I want to take a look at the income statement right now. Look at the year ended column. In 2019 they had 107 million in revenue, but in 2020 they had 189 million in revenue, so that's good growth. In 2019 they had 119 in operating expenses, but in 2020 they had 168 million in operating expenses. I would say that's decent because it's needed for the increased revenues. In 2019 they had 33 million in net loss, but in 2020 they had 14 million in net loss, so that's good. Having a lower net loss is always good. Briefly, the cash flow statement is looking good. They have a lower net loss, so that's good. In 2020 they had 861 million in total assets, which was an increase from 236 million, so that's good. Total liabilities of 515 million. Their assets are greater than their liabilities, so that's good. You see one debt, so this is long-term loan. They have 4 million in debt and they have more than enough cash to pay this off. 268 million in cash, so I do think they're not going into bankruptcy anytime soon. In terms of competitors, I do think they're up there. They also have the acquisition of Working Not Working, so I do think this is a good stock to buy. What are the large institutions doing with the stock? On the 17th of February, we have True Investments Capital. They increased their position. We have one institution decreasing their positions, selling their positions either by shorting the stock, or they think after COVID-19 everyone is going to go back to working physically. If you believe in the company and you believe in the fundamentals and you believe in the future, then invest in the company what they are. Don't invest what other people say, like these institutions. So that's my opinion. It's currently down 1.03% on the day. So I do think if today was a green day for most stocks, this would have went up, but this followed the trend of the market. Their competitor was down nearly 7%. Fiverr was only down 1%, so I think they're doing good. How would I invest $1,000 in this company? $1,000 is just an example. You can invest how much you want. I will not use strike prices to average down, but I will use strike days. So what we do on Friday, put your first 250 on the stock, no matter the price, because we want to establish our position. On Monday next week, we put our next 250. We're not doing strike prices, we're doing strike days. Then on Tuesday, put your next 250 on that. On Wednesday, put your last 250 on that, no matter the price. If we're doing strike days instead of strike prices. The reason we do strike days is because we believe in this long term. The stock is not that volatile compared to other stocks. That's why we're doing strike days. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also, feel free to like this video for the YouTube algorithm so more people can learn about investing in finance. That's it from me. Hope you guys have a wonderful day today. See you guys in the next one, and happy investing.